back again with another update on the 1926 Kissel Brougham. You're looking at a large number of parts that are actually already completed. We don't usually show you this, but they're sitting aside waiting their time to be installed. Most of the car is actually done this way. What's left is largely painting it, installation of things, and putting an interior in the car. So you're just seeing thing after thing that's actually done. And it looks like Trish kind of rearranged the stuff. It's actually normally sorted a little better than this. I suppose it makes a better picture for the moment. Here's the car itself. You'll see we've actually got the body on it. All the tubes are up front. You can see the color of the wheels. That's the original color that we put back in. And it's all sitting on jack stands right now. We've got decals in place. Those came from Ken McKinnon. He's been real helpful in us being able to restore this car. You'll see the firewall is essentially done. Yeah, there are details and some wiring to do, but it's all essentially done. And you're looking at the engine being basically done. We have some of the studs going back in it. And you can see how nice everything looks. Every single one of the copper tubes is brand new. Put back the way it was. Here you're looking at the back of the car, the gas tank being done. We haven't officially hooked in the tubes into the tank itself. The body is sitting back on the frame, and it is basically just a need of paint. Again, looking at the back a little bit, how the gas tank is mounted. 3 of the 4 wheels are on it this time. Steering column's also in. It needs to be adjusted and finally mounted to finish it. Every single label's back on the car or awaiting. There are a couple that we're going to put on. There's the steering wheel completely redone, sitting in the car waiting to be installed. Interior is waiting to be put in. You can see those the original windows. We'll actually replace those after we've done the paint job on the car itself. And you're looking at what the original colors were and how the pinstriping was, and you can see we very much matched that orange to those wheels, which they were originally orange, as is shown. You see we've got the supports for the fenders, front fenders in there, rubber parts in there. And looking down from the top, you can see it's all set. That body is basically ready. It's essentially straight body. Very little body work necessary on that entire body. There's a front bumper completely painted. It was never plated on this car. And a number of other parts. They're actually sitting on the running board of my 18 Kissel waiting to be installed. Again, for showing you some of the parts that are all set. These are all done, completely ready. Yep, that's the vent for the car, and prior to that, that real quick shot was in fact the tire carrier. There we are back looking at the front of the car and how everything is basically ready. The doors perfectly work at this time. Coming back around right on the front, you're seeing everything is all painted, all put together. We haven't added any of the splash aprons. Those will be done last. Car will look basically done before I'll put splash aprons in it. Every single one of the body parts is at least under primer or original paint, as is on the main body right now. A lot of things are completed. More later.